We stepped into 2025 carrying the momentum of everything we had built before it, fueled by past successes and driven by a simple belief that innovation, when done right, can move the world forward. And this year, we did exactly that. Along the way, we delivered impactful projects that translated into real client success. Every solution shipped wasn't just a milestone crossed, but a shared achievement, proof that when we partner deeply, everyone wins. But 2025 wasn't only about work. It was about coming together. From the vibrant colors of Sankranti and Holi, to sharing warmth and conversations during Eid at our iftar party, to devotion during Ganesh Chaturthi, the glow of Diwali, and the joy of Christmas. We celebrated every moment, every culture, every reason to pause and connect. Because at X-Cube Labs, people are always at the heart of what we do. One of our strongest beliefs is simple: do right by our clients. And doing right means more than delivering solutions. It means sharing knowledge, opening doors, and growing together. That's why we hosted conferences, conducted workshops, and welcomed our clients into our space, to show them the work we're proud of and the possibilities we can build together. And growth didn't stop there. We invested just as deeply in our people, organizing interactive workshops, learning sessions, and collaborative forums for our associates. Because when we learn together, we transform together. And that's how we keep pushing the boundaries of digital transformation. This commitment to quality, learning, and impact didn't go unnoticed. 2025 brought with it global recognition and awards, milestones that stand as a testament to the passion, discipline, and excellence our teams bring every single day. Of course, we believe in one more thing: work hard, play hard. From intense table tennis matches and high-energy cricket tournaments to friendly video game battles that sparked laughter and rivalry, our associates brought the same spirit to play as they do to work. Competitive, committed, and full of heart. At X-Cube Labs, learning never stops. Ideas never stop flowing. Our workplace is always buzzing, with conversations, curiosity, and challenges waiting to be solved. Because we believe the best technology is the kind that works quietly in the background, so people may not always see it, but they feel its impact every single day. And as we wrap up yet another remarkable year, we do so with gratitude. For the people, for the partnerships, for the challenges that pushed us further. Here's to everything we achieved in 2025, and here's to going the extra mile again in 2026.